Hi guys, welcome back to Lectures Management. So in this video, we're going to be unboxing the video making UC shape portable handheld bracket stabilizer kit. So this kit is for both camera and phone. Okay, you can see on the picture how it looks like, the camera version and the phone version. So let's go ahead to open this, guys. Based on the description, this kit is supposed to contain one tripod, one LED flashlight that's 6.5 by 6.5 centimeters, one microphone, one smartphone universal holder, and one remote control. So let's go ahead to see what is in the box. So I like how it is packaged. It is well protected, looking at the bubble wrap and how it is wrapped. And yeah, so we'll just go ahead to open it and then we'll see what is inside. So the first thing is our LED light, 6 by 6 centimeters. It has the on button, the battery space, and then we have our microphone, and then we have our microphone cable and one smart universal holder, and then our tripod. Okay, so let's dive into analyzing everything and setting up. I like how this looks. It looks very strong and the grip is very soft and nice, and it feels very comfortable on the hand. So this is what is inside: our LED light, LED flashlight, our tripod, you can see, our microphone, one smart universal holder, cable. So there's supposed to be like a remote control inside, but it's not inside. So before setting it up, let's go ahead to put in the battery. Okay. So let's go ahead to fix this up, fix the battery up. So we're going to be using this. Okay. So this battery is like the smallest size battery. It's like the battery they use for clock and remote. So just go ahead to put them inside the battery, plus minus minus plus. So guys, when you are fixing this, you have to be careful because it keeps springing out. So you have to use your hands to press it down. And when you use your hands to press it down, you go ahead to cover it, as you can see me do. And make sure you close it up tightly and make sure you hear the snap sound. So yeah, go ahead to fixing this up. When you press the on button, it will give you the first light. You press the on button again, it gives you the second shade of light. And when you press the on button the third time, it gives you the third shade of light. So there are three lights quality here, from small brightness to extra brightness and extra brightness, as you can see. So it just controls it. So now let's go ahead to set up our mic. Okay, so you have to like look at that area and then you have to turn it to give you some space, because this is the first time it's a bit stiff, so you have to put some strength into turning it and getting some space to fix it up into the head of the light. Okay, so this is just me adjusting it, and voila guys, it has fitting. So now that it has fitting, we'll go ahead to tighten it so that it stays on the light and doesn't fall off. So the next step is to connect this to the gimbal. Okay, so now just like how we did the light, it's almost the same thing. We look at the connector and then we go ahead to connect it to the edge of the gimbal, and then once you slide it in, you go ahead to tighten it so that it doesn't fall off. This is how it should look like. Okay, so this is just me tightening it so that the light and the mic won't fall off from the gimbal. Now that I've tightened it, it looks exactly like this, and then it is coming together. So we're going to go to the next step. So we're just going to keep screwing this until it comes out, and once it comes out, we then go ahead to screw this over here, as you can see me do. Voila guys, we are set. Look at how it looks. So now let's go ahead to set up our mic. Let's go ahead to set up the mic to the phone. So we'll just quickly unbox this. Just quickly remove the wire here, and then we hook it. So we have to put this one here. and then connect this one to our phone. Okay, connect this one to the phone. Okay, to be like this, like this. Just raise it up like this, and then we can go ahead to, now that we have done that, we turn on our light. Yes, and then we go to video, and then we record. Can you see? And guys, this is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it has been helpful to help you set up your video camera tripod stand. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching once more. Do remember to like, to share, to subscribe, to the notification button, share with anybody that feels like they'll need it. And I'll see you amazing people in my next video. Bye, guys.